How you know if I cough or I don't cough? If you just kick me out of the house with the kids. I cough.
Listen, the one day he left the house with the kids, you hear him?
She
Don't
kick
worry.
me out.
Let's do them again. Do angry. You have to come around here, so angry. Angry. Angry.
Surprise!
Surprise. Happy. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This intro kills me every time. How are you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. As you guys can see, I am trying to get my hair done. I've been in this bathroom since about 10:30 a.m. this morning, and it's now about 5 o'clock, and I'm still here trying to braid my hair. The reason why it's taking so long is because I washed my hair, I dried it, then I pressed it out, then I elastic band it, and now I'm putting in the braids. So hence why my process is taking a little bit longer than usually today, but that's okay because I don't mind it today. You know why I don't mind it? I am trying to get Sarah to used to Papa taking care of her more. So it's a good opportunity for me to be busy with my both hands today. So every time she come to Mama or she call Mama, I just redirect her to Papa. So Papa had to take care of lunch for her. Papa had to make her use the potty when she wants to. He have to change her clothes, pajamas, everything. So it's a good opportunity to see how much she's dependent on Mama all the time, and it's like I cannot get away from her. It's just always Mama, 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 Mama. So we're working on that together. So I also took the opportunity to send them to the park. So Papa is going to the park with both kids on his own for the first time. So actually I was supposed to go with them, but the fact that I'm doing my hair, everything is just falling into place so that he can take care of her on his own without me having to help or call me for anything. So her face looked a little bit sad and she wanted to cry when she realized I wasn't going to the park, but she needs to understand that it's okay to be with Papa. She don't have one parent, she have two. So that's what we've been working on today. So they're at the park right now. He asked me if when I finish my hair I am going to come to the park. I tell him yes, but I'm deliberately not going to go because I need him to fully go and be present with her, spend time with her, and come back on his own without seeing me at all. So I'm deliberately not going. My hair almost finished, and when I finish my hair I'm going to start prepping for dinner if they don't come back by then, because I'm not going. Or should I? I guess we'll figure out if I go, but I really don't want to go. I really want him to be all in with her, and she needs to also get it that it's okay when it's Papa or if it's a family member, but it's Papa right now, so she needs to understand that it's not going, she's not going to always have Mama. Mama needs to right now have time alone, because listen to me child, taking care of them 24/7 is not easy. I'm not going to stand here and act like I'm a superhero and act like I have it all together and act like I can do it all. Sometimes I just want to be somewhere else. Sometimes I just want to be alone. Sometimes I just need to go somewhere with a girlfriend and just whoosah, to be honest. Anyway, you guys, I think everybody who is a parent feel that way, but at the end of the day, there are kids. Yes, we know that. Yes, we know we bring them into the world. Yes, we know that it's our responsibility, but they don't have one parent, they have two. So it's okay to spend time with Papa alone, and it's okay to spend time with Mama alone. Anyway, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I have about 3 braids before I hot water this here, and I'll see where I go from there. So stay tuned for the rest of today's vlog. Don't skip through. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now and catch up and keep up with the family. We post videos 5 days for the week, Monday to Friday, without missing. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna finish up right now, and I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. Okay, look who is back and didn't cry or ask for mama. Sarah, say hello, faves. Hi.
Wagwan. Mama.
Yes.
One of my friends today.
You played with one of your friends today?
Yes.
That's good. It's good to go to the park without mama sometimes, right?
Yes.
Just you and papa and sister. Yeah.
Mama.
Yes, Sarah.
What is he gonna eat?
What? What are you saying? You told your mama here. Wait. Mama here gonna wet you up. Alright, you guys, for the reveal. Finally finished. I finished just when they well, I finished braiding a little bit before they came back, but I insisted that I'm not going to the park. I'm not giving in. I'm not going. They need to be alone. So I did not go, and they got back, and Sarah did not cry and she did not ask for me, so that is very, very good. Finish my hair. How do you guys think I did? So there it goes. I'll rock this for a month or until I'm tired of it and ready to change. Now that I'm finished, just in time for dinner, we're having the last raclette of the season. You guys wondering what raclette is? If you have never seen it before on this channel,
Right, yes, we're going to have raclette. Like that I can do my raclette sushi. I can do it right here.
he loves raclette. Everybody in this house loves raclette. So if you have never seen what raclette is, then stay tuned and you guys will see what that is. It's something very Frenchy and something very wintery. And since winter is leaving us, we're going to finish our stash of raclette ingredients that we have left. So let's go make some raclette.
Can I help you?
I'm going to peel potato. You can't tell me peel potato.
So can I do something that I can do?
You can help me to put the cheese and the things on the table. When it's time, I'll let you know, okay?
Okay, tell me.
Can you give me the tripod, please?
Okay, Baba.
So we have these leftover cheese and leftover meat in the freezer for a while. So we're going to finish them off today. So there you go. Raclette is consists of cheese, meat, potato, and it's done in a specific machine. So you guys will see that. So this is what our raclette machine looks like. There's many different types of them online. You have the ones that don't have the rack up here, but it comes with these little what would you call this? These little pans. You put the cheese in it and put it under there and it melts the cheese. You cook the meat on the top here, but if you don't want to cook the meat, you can just throw the cheese on it as it is. And that goes with potato. So, it's dinner.
My pizza.
Say hello. Oh, Lordy. What, fifth trigger your cough?
Yeah.
Oh my God. How was the park without me?
That was good.
You didn't die?
I don't need you.
Oh!
Okay. With vacation. Tyler was asking for you, and I said she just relax, probably.
You were asking for me?
No, I was just
No, just say was.
I was just saying I'm wondering if we're going to see Sarah on Sunday.
See Sarah, see Mama.
Mama.
No. And he made it without me. I'm proud of Sarah. I'm not proud of you. I'm proud of she. Anyway, you ready to eat?
Yeah, I'm ready to eat.
Me too. Almost 7. We don't normally have dinner this way. Do them again. Do
Mama,
angry.
they come see me.
You have to come around here, so. Angry. Angry. Angry.
Surprise.
Surprise. Happy.
Happy.
Happy. This is happy. Say happy.
Happy.
Sad. Sarah, I was doing expression.
Surprise.
Surprise.
Happy.
Sad. What's wrong? What's wrong? Don't be sad. Tata is crying. So Tata, it's okay. Babe, I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed.
Okay.
This is no Romeo and Juliet moment. Though I have no idea what it's about. Guys, can you believe I'm watching Romeo and Juliet for the first time? Comment down below if you've ever watched that movie, and it's putting me to sleep, so I'm going to bed. I'll finish watching it tomorrow. How long is it?
About an hour 45.
My God. Tell the fave what's up. I was about to say, please don't start coughing. If You guys realize it's only when he's talking to you he starts coughing. He was here all along giving trouble and he wasn't coughing, you know?
Yeah, when I give trouble, I don't cough. But all day I cough. So how you know if I cough or I don't cough? If you just kick me out of the house with the kids. I cough.
Listen, the one day he left the house with the kids, you hear him? Don't
Kick
worry.
me out.
I'll be kicking you out more often with them.
That's
the
okay.
beginning.
That's okay.
It's only the beginning.
They glue to me and then after you complain.
No, why would I complain? That would be glory. That would be, look, you don't see the halo over my head saying,
You'll be like,
look good. Oh,
you don't tell Mama hello?
Never.
Why don't you tell
Never.
Mama hello?
Never. Bear in mind, this is my choice to send them with you.
I already see you jealous when you see the relationship between Tyler and I.
Never.
We're watching Naruto together.
Oh, please. Boo.
We're watching Naruto together. It's like the ultimate level of being friend with your kids. Is watching Naruto. There's nothing's more banned than watching Naruto with your kid. You are far from this level.
You
don't even watch Star Wars with your kids.
He doesn't understand that I am doing him a favor. He's sorry I felt sorry for him when I see his face and sorry I don't want to talk to you, sorry I don't want nothing to do with him. I feel sorry for him so bad. So I'm trying to break that. He doesn't understand that I'm doing him a favor. He should say thank you.
Tyler tonight he insists wearing the same pyjama than I. He was so excited.
Look at him. He feels nice. He feels nice. You'll never get my tie. You'll never get my side no matter how you try. No matter what bond you have with them, they'll be my number one. Look at him. He doesn't understand that I'm doing him a favor, you know.
They can be your number one, but you're not their number one. That's okay.
Right. You're debating about our kids. Hilarious. I'm doing you a favor though, don't worry. I'm just doing you a favor. So say thank you, honey. Say it.
Thank you. That sounds wrong.
Anyway, you guys, I cannot finish watching Romeo and Juliet because I had a long day. I am tired from this hair that I did. I was just about to say, don't touch my head. Babe, my hair fresh. Don't touch it.
You know what
tender.
it looks like? Like the bucket mop. The mop. I'll put yourself in the other side. You know, my sister one day she tried to do something like this, Adeline.
And?
But the person who did it to her, she
terrible.
was so terrible. It looked like the mop from the bucket.
You know that growing up, because we couldn't do this to our hair as kids, we used to put the mop on top of our head. We used to scrub them up off the stick and put it. Hey, my grandma had some of the fluffiest mops growing up. You know, growing up in the country, we have the mop that you wipe the floor with, and you have the mop that you mop the house with. That one it don't get wet. That one fluffy. We used to screw it out and put it on our head. Ow. But it's true. So now that you say it, you're probably right. But I love my mop on my head right now. I did so good. I love the outcome.
You look nice.
Messy. Anyway, you guys, 7 minutes of sitting here chatting to y'all. I'm going to my bed. What will you be doing?
Me, I will be drinking champagne and watch something fun on TV.
Anyway, you guys, give this little bit a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow. Long time you're not free to them, babe.